Great Christmas gift. What kid doesn't love unicorn snot? Only downside was the 6-year-old began to believe her own snot could be just as impressive. Hello, beautiful angels. Today we're going to do the unboxing of Lip Monthly, and I received this in the month of October, so I'm not really sure if this was October or September Lip Monthly. Anyhow, let's see what we got in this box. So this is the bag that we got. So this is the sassiest. Sassy. This is the bag, and that has a Lip Monthly in here, and this is the sassiest. And the hardware is kind of gold, and this is how it looks inside. This is more like fabric kind of material, not like the Ipsy one. So usually they give like okay kind of bags. Lip Monthly, I think you would get, like, for those who doesn't know, you would be getting 4 to 5 lip items, and the cost is $12.95 per month, and it is free shipping in US, and you could save for the with the longer subscriptions, which is good, and you would get the value of $50 plus, which is amazing. If you haven't subscribed already, please smash that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. All right, let's see what we got. The first beauty that we have is this one right here. So this is the Seraphine Botanicals Daikon Plus Breeds Lip Exfoliator with a radish extract, and this one retails for $24. Let's say about this beauty. A gentle lip scrub infused with radish and chamomile extracts, as well as chia seed oil to keep lips smooth, cleansed, and conditioned. The unique blend of soft golden sugar in a healthy base of avocado, apricot, and jojoba oils, as well as shea and cocoa butters, further help protect lips from any further chapping or flaking. Amazing. Let's see. It smells good, more like candy. It smells like candy. So this is how it looks. This is the texture, and the texture is more like sugary kind of, because it do have sugar in it. After washing it, the skin kind of feels moisturized because of all the oils and all of that good stuff that it has in it, which is good. So that is that, and let's see what we have next. And the next beauty that I have is this one. So this is Unicorn Snot Lip Gloss, which retails for $7.99. So this has the holographic, this glitters in it, which looks really pretty, but this looks more like a lip gloss for kids. They would really enjoy it. So it's like the sparkly, glittery, and all of that fun stuff that kids usually love. And this one retails for $7.99. So the earlier one was $24, and this almost 8, so around $32. So we already got $32, which is amazing. And I have a really funny review on this one. Okay, so this one, here it goes. Great Christmas gift. What kid doesn't love unicorn snot? Only downside was the 6-year-old began to believe her own snot could be just as impressive. That's a good one. All right, so this one is 1.34 fluid ounces and goes on smooth, never sticky, with a sweet, subtle taste and an ample dose of holographic sparkle. Your lips will dazzle on every last word. That's amazing. All right, let's see what we have next. So the next that I have is this beauty. So this is Cab. This is the Cab lipstick, and this is in the shade Lollipop. So this is the shade. So this is more like a reddish with orange kind of shade. I'm going to swatch this. So here is the swatch. So that's the color we're looking at, and it smells good, like chocolate kind of sweet kind of smell. Let's see about this beauty. Lollipop lipstick is a cream fire engine red lipstick with orange undertones. That's cool. And scent vanilla cupcake. Yeah, that's the reason I think I would smell like really sweet kind of smell. Okay, and this retails for $18. So earlier, like 32 plus this 18, around $50 already. But, and I think there is a card that I received in this, but I don't have it with me. Let me see if I can find it. Oh, there it is. So this is the card that I got. So here it has the lipstick that we received. So that is the Cap Lipstick Cosmetics Bullet Lipstick, retails for $18. So it has just that one lip product information, not the other ones, so which is okay. So that is that. So we are to our fourth and last beauty. So this is what I got. So this is the Kaleido Cosmetics, and this is Crazy Foils Unicorn Activated Eyeshadow. Okay, so we have two items that has unicorn. So this unicorn snot, and this is unicorn eyeshadow. Amazing. So let's see about this beauty. So this is unicorn activated eyeshadow, which retails for $19. Wow, this is like this size, and this retails for $19. So the earlier we got the total of 50 and this one 90, so we got the value of 69 and we paid $12.95, which is amazing. So these are the shades, and I'm going to swatch these in here. Wow, these are really pretty colors. So let's see about this beauty. Bejewel your eyes. Simply pick up these babies with fingers or shadow brush and apply delicately onto lids to get lit AF. Mix with water or any wet medium and watch it transform into crazy foil. Amazing. So this one is 19, so we got the value of 69, which is amazing. So I think this month's bag is a win-win situation because I really loved all of the products. This one, I really need this one, so yep, which is good. I might not use this. I might pass it on to someone, maybe like my friend's daughter or someone who would really love it. And this one, yeah, sure. This is like one of the shades that I would definitely use. So for sure, I'm going to use this. And this one, which is good. And here is the swatches of this one. So that's pretty much it, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already subscribed, please smash that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. And thank you so much for visiting my channel, and love you guys so much. Be good to each other, stay safe, bye.